Managing volunteer or community projects might seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, you can lead a team to success while making a real difference. In this quick 3-minute guide, I'll show you the essential steps you need to take to manage a volunteer project or community initiative efficiently. Stay tuned till the end for a tool that can help streamline your entire process. First off, set clear goals. Before anything else, define exactly what your project aims to achieve. Whether it's organizing an event, a fundraising campaign, or a community cleanup, clarity is key. Make sure you communicate these goals clearly to your team so everyone is on the same page. This ensures that everyone knows what they're working toward, keeping your project focused and impactful. Next, assemble the right team. Look for individuals who are passionate and bring the skills necessary for your project. It's not just about filling positions. You want people who genuinely care and who have complementary strengths. This will make collaboration smoother and the workload more manageable. Now, assign tasks based on strengths. Each volunteer will have a specific role or responsibility that aligns with their skills. Not only does this ensure that the tasks get done efficiently, but it also helps your team feel empowered and valued. When people are doing what they're good at, the project moves forward faster. Create a timeline. Deadlines are essential in volunteer and community projects. Work backward from your end goal and create a timeline with milestones for major tasks. This will help keep everyone on track and prevent last-minute scrambling. A timeline also helps you assess progress regularly, so you can pivot if needed and avoid delays. One of the most important things is maintaining open communication. Make sure you stay in touch with your team regularly, whether it's through meetings, emails, or a shared platform. This keeps everyone updated on progress, changes, and challenges. Encourage your volunteers to ask questions and share their ideas to foster a collaborative environment. As the project progresses, remember to recognize contributions. Volunteers are giving their time for free, so make sure to acknowledge their hard work. A simple thank you or shout out can go a long way in maintaining morale and engagement throughout the duration of the project. Finally, use the right tools to manage your project. I've tried the most popular tools out there, and the one I recommend is the software we're using in this video. It's incredibly efficient and helps manage tasks, track deadlines, and improve team communication. You can get a free trial exclusive to viewers of my channel by clicking the link in the description below. It's the perfect way to follow along with this tutorial and simplify your project management process. To wrap things up, managing a volunteer or community project boils down to 3 key elements: clear goals, the right team, and effective communication. Set goals, assign tasks based on strengths, and keep everything organized with the right tools. And don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we used. Grab it from the link below. Remember, the best projects are those where the team feels supported and the objectives are crystal clear. With these tips, you'll be on your way to leading successful community initiatives. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your project.